Show Auntie Tam how you're standing up all the time now. What are you doing, sweetie? Are you playing drums? Can you look at Mama? Hey, sweetie, can you do kiwi face? Hey, Max. What's wrong, sweetie? Hey, Max. Hey, Max. Kiwi face. Do kiwi face. You heard me. Okay, let's just play drums. Let's just play drums. So Dada's on the phone and ruining our video. Can you whistle for Mama? Sweetie, can you whistle for Mama? Not Dada, whistle.